Hey everybody, welcome to this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. I am Christina Daves with PR for Anyone. And this week's tip is about LinkedIn video. If you're not familiar with that, LinkedIn is now allowing us to post videos on their platform. That started earlier this year. And because it's new, it's having a huge impact on how many people see it. You know, sometimes you'll put in a LinkedIn post and maybe you get 10 views. You're going to put a video in there and you can get thousands of views. As we all know, we've talked about this before, 80% of all content consumed in 2019 is going to be video. So I'd love for you guys to start getting that video on LinkedIn. And why that's important with PR is the media will check you out. You know, they've got to have credible sources. They've got to have people also with good networks that can help share their stories. So with that strong LinkedIn profile and that strong network, and when they go to your page and they see that you've done all these content videos in your industry, it just makes you so much more impactful. And they don't have to be long. I post these on LinkedIn. These are all under 2 minutes. And I get a lot of coverage with that, and a lot of people love them. So think about what you can do in your industry and do 2-minute, 5-minute. You know, if you want to do a little bit longer, 10-minute, that's fine. But start getting out there on LinkedIn. It's really, really important. And like I said, it's kind of like the early bird gets the worm. Those of us who are implementing this new strategy now are taking advantage of, you know, the people who aren't, and we get so much more viewership on our videos. So that's this week's PR tip. I hope you'll start doing LinkedIn videos, or take videos that you have, and it's not live on LinkedIn. This is recorded video. So if you've got videos already done, make a plan and just start uploading them on a regular basis on LinkedIn. So that's this week's tip. I'd like to invite you to have more success, lots of PR success in the PR Challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com, completely free. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days. I send you a video and actionable items, and you will have success. You will get more visibility for your business. So I hope to see you in the challenge, and I can't wait to see you in the media.